Integrate is the only program management app designed specifically for complex hardware development projects. It's been designed from the ground up to allow technical managers and engineers like you and your team members to collaborate more intuitively and efficiently with external stakeholders than is possible in other, more generic project management tools. Integrate enables you to share parts of your programs with collaborators, both within and outside your company. Securely share individual tasks, requirements, and data with anyone, regardless of their company. Collaborators will only see the information that you explicitly share with them in their Integrate account. Their program information stays private too, unless they decide to share tasks, requirements, and data with other collaborators in their network. Anyone with an Integrate account is free to collaborate with anyone else who has an Integrate account. Here's how it works. Everything starts on your timeline. It's your core work area. Create a new hardware project to see it on your timeline. Give it a name, set the estimated build time, and save. You can make adjustments directly from your timeline. Use projects to track detailed attributes as your programs evolve. Securely store and share relevant files. Integrate is run on servers based entirely in the US and uses best-in-class encryption for file storage and transfers. Add your project to a larger program. Give the parent project a name, duration, save it, and add it. Or add subsystems nested underneath your project. You can always move things around later. See the hierarchy you've created, represented visually on your timeline, just as it is in reality. Your project truly starts to come to life by adding schedule drivers like tasks, milestones, or even requirements directly to your projects. I'll just fast forward here quickly while this schedule is created. If a driver's duration extends beyond the boundaries of its parent, Integrate shows you the risk to your project so you can correct it. Once your project is built, share just the relevant parts with different collaborators inside and outside of your company. Let's share the motor project. Collaborators only ever have access to things explicitly shared with them, and the rest stays private by default. Here, we'll only share a few important drivers. This enables teams to securely collaborate on complicated projects across company borders without worrying about people seeing things they shouldn't. Notice how only the items we shared show up in this collaborator's account. Even though you're collaborating on the same program, your collaborators will see different things than you. Because in Integrate, your account only shows what you've created and what's been shared with you. As you get deeper into Integrate, you'll begin to use our more advanced features, and will begin to see your project come to life in new ways. Assign work items to team members and estimate how long it will take to complete them. Use dependencies to connect drivers that rely on each other and set different types of relationships between them. Analyze and isolate the critical path and view how your team's workload is balanced against their available capacity to reduce risk, stop slippage, save time, and make sure your program is a success. Try all this and more for free at integrate.co.